So a listing of numbers can be explicit or recursive. And if it's recursive, that means that it's based on the previous term. Like when you have a sub n, your previous term would be labeled as a sub n minus 1. And if it's not recursive, then it's explicit. And explicit refers to where you have something with a formula and it's calculated from the formula. So in recursive, you have to keep getting the next term, and explicit, you could jump to the term that you wanted. If the sequence goes to a specific value, it's called convergent, and if it doesn't go to a certain value, like it goes to infinity, it's divergent. So a couple examples. First of all, find the next four terms. You're trying to figure out what the pattern is. And the patterns of this one, you can see right here, it's dividing by 5. So it would be 1 over 5, 1 over 5 squared, 1 over 5 cubed, and 1 over 5 to the 4th power. Find the specified number of term in each sequence. So you can see that this is explicit because this is a formula. There is no a sub n minus 1 here. So the 10th term is equal to 3 times 10 minus 7. So that's just going to be 30 minus 7, or 23. The third term here is, you can see it's recursive, which means that I have to substitute in the first term here. So when you do this, you're going to get a sub 2 is equal to 1 over 2. And if you put 2 in here, that n is 2. If you put 2 in here, you're really going to get a sub 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1. So your a sub 1 is 3. So therefore, it's going to be 2 times 3, which equals 1/6. And now to get the third term, it's 1 over 2 times the previous term, which is 1/6. And that's going to equal 1 over 1/3, or 3. More examples. 8th term, substituting 8 in for n would get you that answer. And 4th term, again, you're looking at a sub 2 and plugging in the previous term. 2 times 7 plus 5, which equals 19. A sub 3 equals 2 times the previous term plus 5. 38 plus 5 is 43. And then the 4th term equals 2 times 43 plus 5, which is, let's see, 86, 91. So you have explicit, which means you have some sort of a formula, and you have recursive, which is based on the previous term or previous term before the term.